Welcome to the Noon Extra. This is where we take your calls about the topic of the day. The number to call, 483-8331. And my guest today is attorney Dave Farnbaugh. Dave, it's nice to have you back.
It's good to be back, Corinne.
It's good to see you. Let's talk a little bit about, you were just saying in our newscast, just in this past half hour, we had something about a fatal motorcycle accident, 3 motorcycles involved, 2 people died at the scene, several others were hurt and taken to the hospital. And you said this is something that people really need to be aware about in terms of their insurance coverage.
They do. This is the time of year when a lot of people are involved in serious motor vehicle accidents, whether that be motorcycles or on highways when there's more travel. And what we see frequently in our office, Corinne, is people who are involved in a serious accident. There's oftentimes not enough insurance coverage on the part of the party or the person that causes the motor vehicle accident. So there's a need for you to go underneath your own coverage on your own automobile policy to be compensated for a serious accident. So we always recommend to people when they come to our office is to contact your auto insurance agent and make sure that you have enough what they call underinsured and uninsured motorist coverage. Uninsured obviously applies to a situation where the person that causes the accident does not have any insurance. Underinsured refers to a situation where the person that caused the accident has some insurance but not enough to cover the full extent of your damages. And with the cost of medical care now, it doesn't take very long when you're in the hospital to run through a person who only has, let's say, $25,000 or $50,000 of liability insurance coverage. You can go through that coverage in a week or two in the hospital. So it's important to get adequate insurance coverage to protect you against the other guy.
Because even if the other guy is required by state law to have insurance, a lot of people still don't have it.
A lot of people. I think the statistics I've heard vary, but they say up to 20% of the drivers on the roadways do not have any insurance whatsoever.
That's a scary statistic.
Very scary.
Okay, so you need to make sure that you're covered under your own policy. So we're taking your calls about legal issues, anything you want to ask today, 483-8331, and we will take the first caller when we come back.